Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the circuit safe. Turn the power off, remove batteries, and discharge large capacitors so you get a true reading. Once done, set your multimeter to continuity. Make sure the probes and leads are intact. Before testing the device, touch the probes together to confirm a beep or 0 ohms because that verifies the meter. Then position the probes on the 2 nodes you want to check and hold steady while you watch and listen for continuity feedback. Now probe the specific points. Contact one probe to a reference node and the other to the target node or component lead. You should listen for a beep or read near 0 ohms for a closed path. This shows a continuous connection. If you see small resistance, consider contact quality and expected tolerance. Make sure to check both switch positions and trace copper for breaks. If the circuit is crowded, isolate the section by desoldering or lifting one leg to avoid parallel paths affecting the reading. Finish by rechecking the whole path after any repairs and reassembly so you confirm the connection under real conditions. If you don't get a beep, first verify probe contact and swap probes between nodes. Then check the meter battery and continuity function again because weak batteries give false negatives. If readings are inconsistent, isolate components and test in diode mode for semiconductors. One key troubleshooting tip: bad probe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.